In today's video, I'll show you how to do this cute little Easter tarot notebook. It's really easy to do, so I hope you give it a try. Some of the things you'll need is a cutting mat. You will also need a long ruler and a shorter one. You will also need a craft knife or a utility knife, but I just prefer the craft knife. For the glue, I use whitewood glue, and it's the same glue I use for any papercraft project, but you could also try maybe Mod Podge or tacky glue. I just never tried it myself, so I'm not sure how well it works. I've included the printouts in the description below the video. There's 2 different designs and I printed 5 of each. Depending how thick you want your notebook, you could do less or more. So when you look at your printout, you can see tiny lines on the edge of the paper. Those are basically your cut guidelines. So just start in the middle. Just make sure when you're cutting that you don't go past the pink area. Once you're happy with the amount of pages, it's time for the next step. So you will need some chipboard for the backing, and they should be the same size as the pages. You will also need some scrap chipboard, and it should be smaller than the width of the paper pages. And you will also need some paper clips. I made this part really short in the video, but I swear I spent 2 minutes just tapping the paper on the table to make sure the top was nice and even, which is a bit insane, but just make sure the top looks even and it should be fine. once I was happy with the tops, I put one layer of the white wood glue and I just put it to the side to dry, and I think it dried in about 30 minutes. So this was the real test. Because I've never tried this before, I wasn't really sure it would actually work, but it turned out so well, just like any notebook you would buy at the store, so I was really happy. All that's left is the covers. Now this is optional, you could skip it altogether. I just think it looks cuter with the cover. So depending on how thick your notebook is, you just have to lay the cover on the notebook and then mark at the back so you know where you have to fold over. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.